Today, we're sharing how to make our Chicken and Avocado Tandoori Bowl. Into a large bowl, we add our saffron rice, placing it to the top of the dish. Across from the rice, we add our marinated red cabbage. Next, we'll add our avocado cucumber tomato salad to one side. This salad is prepared with diced tomato, diced cucumber, lemon juice, and freshly diced avocados from Mexico. To the remaining side, we'll add grilled chicken skewers brushed with a tandoori seasoning. Then we add our tandoori seasoned avocados from Mexico that have also been cubed, skewered, seasoned, and flame grilled. Place a scoop of garlic aioli at the center of the dish and garnish with chopped parsley. For a final touch, we add 2 lime wedges. And there you have it. This is the Chicken and Avocado Tandoori Bowl by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.